Kept your worm. Dang, this is a big piece of coral or crinoid or something of that sort. Yeah.
Oh, this was bigger. Oh, this is biggest bluegill I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
State record, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. State record. State record bluegill. Do you see that thing?
Yo! Yo! Bring him up, bring him up.
Get down, get down, get down. Get down, get down, get down, get down, no.
Yo! Yo! Dude, oh my god, that thing's giant. Oh, dude, yo! Yo.
He's got really cool colors.
This is a pumpkin seed, I think, because it's got more orange.
Yeah. Dude, look at how thick he is. Like, look at my hand for comparison. That's huge.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, thumbnail right there.
Here,
You're
let me
right.
see if I
Nice.
got it.
Yeah. Here, wait, yeah.
Oh, my he flipped. Oh, that was kind of a hard landing. He's swimming away.
He's good.
Dude, that thing was huge, bro.
That thing was big. Alright, now let me get one.
I can add a split shot to yours if you want to drop a little bit.
That's fine. Oh,
Have one?
I had him.
Well, if you catch a state record bluegill, then you can name the video Catching State Record New York State Record Bluegill.
Yeah. Oh, my lord. I didn't get a good look at him. He's pretty big.
Pretty big one. Yeah, you want me to get the net?
Yeah. Okay. Cut my worm too.
Oh! Oh, another huge one!
Yeah.
Huge one! Yo!
Look at that. Oh my god.
Yo.
Dude, wait. Oh crap. Here, you got the pliers or?
I might be able to get it out.
You gotta get a picture of that one. Let's give it really good.
It's hurting my finger. I actually might need. Can you grab the pliers?
Yeah, where are they? Oh, right there. I'm blind.
You think you can get it?
Yeah.
There we go. Perfect.
I'm gonna just.
Just
Here, I'll hold the net. Yeah,
I
you
got
get it.
Just like a.
Alright, if you want to hold them up.
Wait, doesn't that mean something? Does that
I think
mean
it
something?
might. Here, let me put the lid on the worms here before
No,
it,
it's,
because it was tried to blow away once. Yeah, it's nice.
you want me to hold up? Alright.
Alright, just flip them. Nice. Bro! Dude, please let me drop my line in the water. Bro!
Oh, another big one.
Dude, let me drop my line in the water. Damn.
Want to just hand me the pliers real quick?
Yeah.
Where is my weight? Is it in there with them?
I didn't hear like a clink of it falling.
Alright, I'm just gonna throw them back.
Yeah, here. Yeah.
Slab. Alright, throw them back.
There we go. Got a big old live bluegill, real live bluegill on there. Let's get him up there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh my god.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my god.
Yeah, baby. Look at him. He's got it right in his mouth.
Yeah.
Bluegill came out. Wait, did the hook come out? Get in there. Just grab him. Grab him. Hold him. Hold him tight. Hold him tight. All right, lift him up. Support. Perfect.
Okay.
Hold him tight. I'm recording.
Look at this beast. Beast of a fish right here.